Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we'll be solving another very interesting question from system of equations. So let's get started by considering equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now we are going to consider one algebraic identity x plus y plus z whole square. This is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Now we have to plug in all the known values. X plus y plus z. This is our equation 1. We can write 9 square in the LHS. Then we have x square plus y square plus z square. It is 33. We will write here 33 plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Now 9 square is 81, and if we will take 33 to the LHS, we can write here minus 33 equal to 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. 81 minus 33 is 48. So we will write 48 equal to 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Now we will divide both sides by 2 to get the value of xy plus yz plus zx. So 48 over 2 is 24. 2 and 2 will be over. We will get xy plus yz plus zx 24. Let's say this is our equation number 4. Again we will use the same identity. So we will write here a square root x plus a square root y plus a square root z whole square will be equal to square root x whole square x, square root y whole square y, square root z whole square z plus 2 times square root x times square root y. So we can write square root xy, square root y times square root z. We can write square root yz, square root z times square root x. So we can write square root zx. Again we have to apply all the known values, root x plus root y plus root z. This is our equation number 3. We can write here 5 square equal to x plus y plus z. Our equation number 1. We will write here 9 plus 2 times square root xy plus square root yz plus square root zx. Now 5 square is 25, and if we will take this 9 to the LHS, we can write minus 9 equal to 2 times square root xy plus square root yz plus square root zx. 25 minus 9 is 16. So we can write here 16 equal to 2 times square root xy plus square root yz plus square root zx. Now we have to divide by 2 both sides. So let's divide by 2. We will get 16 over 2 equal to 8. 2 and 2 from RHS will be over. We will get our equation number 5, root xy plus root yz plus root zx equal to 8. And this equation we will call equation number 5. Again we are going to consider squaring of the same equation, equation number 5. So we can write here square root xy plus square root yz plus square root zx equal to 8. Let's consider squaring both sides. Again, we will use the same formula. We will get square root xy whole square xy, square root yz whole square yz, square root zx whole square zx plus 2 times. Now we have to multiply square root xy with square root yz. So I can write square root xy square z plus square root yz times square root zx. We can write yz square x plus square root zx times square root xy. So zx square y equal to 8 square is 64. Now xy plus yz plus zx. This is our equation number 4. Value was 24. We will write here 24 plus 2 times. From this bracket, we will take square root xyz common out. So in the bracket, we have to write square root y plus square root z plus square root x will be equal to 64. Now square root x plus square root y plus square root z. This is 5, equation number 3. We'll subtract 24 from both the sides. So we are going to write minus 24 in RHS also. 64 minus 24 is 40. And 2 times 5 is 10. So I can write 10 times square root xyz equal to 40. Let's divide both sides by 10. We will get square root xyz equal to 40 over 10, 4. Or we can write xyz value by taking square both sides. We will get 16. And here we will write equation number 6. Now I will write 3 equations out of 6. First equation is x plus y plus z equal to 9. Second equation is xy plus yz plus zx equal to 24. And x times y times z equal to 16. Now we can think about one cubic equation in T whose roots are x, y and z. Then first equation here, this is sum of roots equation. Sum of roots taken 2 at a time, product of roots equation. So using Vita's method, we can frame one cubic equation T cube minus sum of roots x plus y plus z times t square plus sum of roots taken 2 at a time. So xy plus yz plus zx times t minus product of roots x, y, z equal to 0. Now we have to plug in all the values. So we will get cubic t cube minus x plus y plus z is 9. So 90 square. xy plus yz plus zx is 24. So we'll write plus 24t minus xyz is 16. 16 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this cubic equation, and if I will add all the coefficients of the equation, means we are putting or plugging t equal to 1. So we'll be getting 1 minus 9 plus 24 minus 16. Minus 9 minus 16 is minus 25. 1 plus 24 is 25. So value is 0. That means t equal to 1 is our base solution. Now we can use synthetic division method. Let's write all the coefficients of cubic equation. Coefficient of t cube 1, coefficient of t square minus 9, coefficient of t 24, constant minus 16. We'll put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with this leading coefficient. So 1 times 1 is 1. Now we will add these two numbers. We will get minus 8. 1 times minus 8 is minus 8. We will add these two numbers and get 16. 1 times 16 is 16. Once we will add these two, we are going to get 0. So here we have coefficients of quadratic equation in t. Equation would be t square minus 8t plus 16 equal to 0. T square minus 8t plus 16 equal to 0. Our base solution was t equal to 1. And this is one algebraic formula for t minus 4 whole square equal to 0. So I can write here t must be equal to 4 comma 4. So we have three t values, t equal to 1, t equal to 4 and t equal to 4. And t is x, y, z. So we have to consider the combination of these three numbers. So I can write my final answer x comma y comma z equal to, I will write 1 4 4. Then we will consider 4 1 4. Then we can consider 4 4 and 1. So we have three ordered triplet. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.